Making money is a common goal for many individuals and businesses. It typically involves engaging in various activities or ventures to generate income and accumulate wealth. While making money can bring numerous benefits, it's important to consider the potential negative results or consequences that can arise from a sole focus on monetary gain. Here are some aspects to keep in mind. Ethical concerns. In the pursuit of making money, some individuals or organizations may engage in unethical practices such as fraud, exploitation, or environmental harm. These actions can damage reputations, lead to legal consequences, and negatively impact society and the environment. Health and well-being. An excessive focus on making money can lead to neglecting one's physical and mental well-being. Long hours, stress, and constant pressure to accumulate wealth may result in burnout, strained relationships, and overall reduced quality of life. Loss of perspective. The relentless pursuit of wealth can sometimes overshadow other important aspects of life, such as personal growth, relationships, and pursuing passions. This narrow focus may leave individuals feeling unfulfilled, lacking purpose, or disconnected from what truly matters. Financial risks. Engaging in high-risk ventures or investments solely for the purpose of making money can lead to substantial financial losses. Economic downturns, market volatility, and poor decision-making can result in bankruptcy, debt, and financial instability. Negative impact on others. The drive for financial gain can sometimes lead to exploitation or taking advantage of others. This could manifest as exploiting employees through low wages or poor working conditions, engaging in predatory business practices, or contributing to income inequality. Emotional toll. Relying heavily on financial success for self-worth or happiness can be emotionally draining. If financial goals are not met, individuals may experience feelings of failure, stress, or a sense of inadequacy. It's important to strike a balance between financial goals and other important aspects of life. Prioritizing ethical practices, maintaining a healthy work-life balance, and considering the impact of financial decisions on oneself and others can help mitigate the negative consequences of solely focusing on making money.